Welcome to an adventure like no other with our single unit MAPS. Designed to inspire creativity and foster endless fun, this custom-built playground is the ultimate destination for young explorers. Introducing our single unit MAPS, where imagination knows no limits. Our single unit MAPS also boasts delightful additions like the strawberry canopy and sunflower, creating a vibrant and inviting atmosphere that sparks joy in every child's heart. A whimsical FRP crescent. Featuring an exhilarating FRP spiral slide. Picture the laughter and joy as children spiral down the slide. With every moment, they're not just playing, they're exploring, learning, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Challenging FRP rock climber. This playground masterpiece is designed to thrill and delight children of all ages. Climb to new heights on the rock climber, and spin round and round on the merry-go-round. With a merry-go-round and pony spring rider included, children can enjoy even more fun-filled adventures in this all-in-one playground wonderland.